Hi, Lily. Do you want to go to the mall today?
Sure. I'd love to. What do you want to shop for?
I need some clothes and a new bag.
That sounds fun. I need to buy some shoes.
Let's go to City Mall. It has so many stores.
Great. Which mall should we go to?
Perfect. What time should we leave?
How about 2 p.m.?
That works for me. Do you have a specific shop in mind?
Yes, I want to check the shoe store on the first floor.
Okay. I want to look at some dresses in the fashion store.
Should we check the sales section first?
Yes, we might find some great deals.
I also need to buy a gift for my friend's birthday.
What kind of gift are you thinking of?
Maybe a nice watch or a handbag.
That's a good idea. Let's check the accessory shop.
Do you want to grab a coffee before shopping?
Yes, that sounds nice. The cafe on the second floor is great.
Perfect. After coffee, we can start shopping.
Should we visit the electronics store too?
Yes, I want to check out the new headphones.
I need a phone cover. Let's look there.
Do you want to stop by the bookstore?
Yes. I need a new notebook for work.
Let's also check the home decor section.
Good idea. I want to buy some candles.
This mall is so big. We'll need a lot of time.
It's okay. Shopping at the mall is always fun.
I agree. Let's make it a fun day.
The pasta is so creamy. How's your burger?
It's delicious. The fries are crispy too.
Do you want to try some of my pasta?
Sure. Do you want to taste the burger?
Yes, let's swap bites.
Your pasta is amazing.
And your burger is so juicy.
Should we order dessert?
Definitely. I saw chocolate lava cake on the menu.
Yum. Let's get that.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, we'll have the chocolate lava cake to share.
Great choice. I'll bring it right away.
I love ending a meal with dessert.
Same here. Sweet treats are the best.
Here's your lava cake. Enjoy.
Look at that melted chocolate.
It's so rich and warm.
This is the best part of the meal.
I agree. We should come here again.
Yes. Maybe we can try other dishes next time.
Good idea. Should we ask for the check?
Yes, I think we're done.
Here's your bill. Take your time.
Let's split the bill.
Sure, that works for me.
This was such a nice dinner.
I had a great time. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Next time, let's try a new place.
Sounds perfect. Let's plan it.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel.